Side draft range hood. Unique side draft design will lead cooking fumes to the air inlet, reduce cooking fumes from spreading. With 90 degrees automatic open baffle plate, it can cover 6 feet superscript 2 of range space. Powerful dual motors. With one touch, it will reach 380 pa velocity with 5.8 dB noise level, as the vent hood efficiently removes cooking fumes, smell from your kitchen. Touch screen control. With 3-speed settings, it is suitable for all kinds of cooking style. With delay function, it will ensure no smell will be left behind after you finished cooking, while you enjoy your meal with your family. With screen lock function, it prevents you from turn on the hood while cleaning the surface. Easy to maintain. Special impeller design in this range hood achieves 92% separation of grease and fumes. All the grease will drip into our large grease tray. Grease tray and oil filter are easy to remove. Hassle-free installation. We offer professional installation services, additional charge, in over 50 major cities, such as San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York City. Reach out today and see if we are in your area. Best in the industry warranty services, with over 3,500 independent service providers network covering 50 states. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Side draft range